Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you fix your messenger nickname bug, or how can you change your messenger name or your ID name if you are facing a trouble or criticism on your name, and now you want to change your name. Let me show you how can you do it. For this, you have to open your Play Store app and make sure that your messenger app is updated. So if you got the option of open here, it means that your messenger is fully updated. But if you got the option of update here, you have to update your messenger app first. And the second thing, you have to open your mobile settings and go to the app management and go to the app settings. Now scroll down and open the messenger settings here and click on the storage and cache. From here you have to clear all the cache from the bottom right corner, and I hope after this you will be able to fix your messenger nickname bug, and after this you will be able to change your messenger name. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any doubt, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.